Don't overlook new construction if you're thinking about buying a home. There are more newly built homes to choose from right now than there would normally be, and they come with some big perks. Imagine a custom home with little to no maintenance for the first few years, energy-efficient features to help cut down on your bills, and builder incentives that could save you money on your purchase. That can all be yours, but there are a few things to consider too. If the home isn't finished yet, you might have to wait months to move in. And if you're not careful, upgrades and rising material costs can add up fast. If you want my perspective, it's definitely worth it, especially if you're buying a home that's already finished, and I can help you find one that's perfect for you, your budget, and your timeline. Let me know, would you consider buying a newly built home? Why or why not? I'm Tina, and thanks for watching.